Okay. Women politicians told more. Amnesty India study. Amnesty India had carried out a study of 95 politicians during the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Twitter is a what are the findings? Findings is Twitter is a toxic space for Indian women politicians who face substantially higher abuse of social media platforms than their counterparts in the US and the UK, according to the study. This is very sad thing to know about. That is mainly in India, Twitter is used as an abusive platform than US and UK. One out of every 7 tweets mentioning them is problematic or abusive, with many women targeted by a relentless flow of threats and sexist, religious, racist and casteist slurs. While all women are targeted, Muslim women are politicians face more 55% more abuse than the others. So such a more worse state in the minority politicians is concerned. The report quotes that one of the women leaders which say women do not enter politics because of the price of the constant online harassment and trolling was too high. Previously, before independence, the women freedom fighters want to enter into the freedom struggle with the main support of the with a good support of male as well as both male and female. So where is such an India? That such an India is not able to see now. Such a futuristic India that our freedom fighters want to see, it's not able to see with these type of remarks or with these type of fears in the women politicians. So it's clearly saying that the women do not enter politics because of the price of the constant online harassment. Then Britishers and now the online harassment by our own Indians. Such a bad condition that India is facing today. If you look at the softer targets and the number of percentage and statistics of the abusive content made by this Amnesty India survey, the women politicians from India faced significantly more abusive and problematic tweets. So you can see the charts here. The problematic percentage of India is more than USA. The tweets, suppose a tweet is put on the Twitter, if we categorize them into the problematic, abusive, so what are the percentages that we show here? The chart shows percentage share of the abusive and the problematic tweets directed at the women politicians. See, this is a woman, and abusive also the India is the top, and the problematic, see in India the percentage tweets by the politicians in the religious wise also it is seen here. Country wise it is religious wise. You can see the Muslim women, the minority face the more problematic and the minority face more abusive content. So such actions must be taken care, and what our freedom fighters dreamed of the India is not this type of India. People need to be realized, and they must be welcomed. Women politicians must be welcomed, and also the women reservation bill in the Lok Sabha has still pending and need the support and need a larger support, larger movement for the 33% reservation of the women in the Lok Sabha seats. Thank you.